So let's talk about the education required to become a digital analyst. Before I go in, I want to talk about myself. I have an engineering degree, bachelor's in electronics engineering, a master's in environmental engineering, and an MBA. However, I never learned anything about digital or analytics in school. I picked up everything on the job. I was passionate, I was hungry to learn something new. When the digital came, I wanted to learn it. And that's how I picked up the skills. Having worked with a lot of digital analysts, having trained a lot of digital analysts, and having talked to a lot of digital analysts, I have learned that they all came from different backgrounds. They had various majors: business, marketing, stats, computer science, engineering, arts, finance, economics, well, pretty much anything. I have seen digital analysts coming from various backgrounds. What drive what drove them to the field was the opportunity that came in front of them. Many were passionate, so they just started learning. Many were just thrown into the situation and they had to pick it up. So that's how they stumbled upon and learned. So what I'm telling you here is it doesn't matter what educational background you have. Any educational background, any kind of degree helps you prepare for the working life. What you need is really is curiosity, the passion for the field, and analytical thinking. It doesn't matter what your degree is in. Definitely, if you have computer science background, you might be more technically oriented and technical track might suit you. If you have a business degree, then maybe you'll go in reporting and analyst role. However, if you have a passion, my firm belief is you can pick up anything. MBA is not required, but it's helpful because it helps you understand the business aspect and it helps you understand how the data can be applied to a business. There's so many opportunities to learn nowadays, free tools available, many educational programs are available. Many universities have now started to offer analytics and digital analytics. I teach in many of those courses, and I have developed courses for several universities.